Okay, try to make her smile again. For you.
Mila. Baby, Mila. Mila. Mila, look at me. Look at me. Mila.
Aqua, Galleria, Chanel,
Mila.
and Andrea.
Mila. Hi. Mila, don't smile. What you looking at? Mila. Smile. Smile? No. She doesn't want to smile, Chloe.
Will you smile? Smile for Grandma and Grandpa? Ooh, big smile. That's pretty.
Are you going to smile for Grandma and Grandpa too? You got my hair! Grandpa, my mom's getting me a Slurpee today.
What flavor are you getting?
Cherry and Coke. I wish you were here to get one too. Because I know you like Slurpees.
Wow!
Sit up.
My studio address.
Hey.
Maybe we can stop by the studio tomorrow and meet some of the dancers.
What?
It'll be fun.
I got my gun.
Say bye-bye.
Touch your nose.
Wave bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye, Mila.
I'm going to shoot close tomorrow.